Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will learn how to connect to a PPTP/L2TP/SSTP server on your Android mobile device. But before we get started, make sure you have watched my previous video on how to create the PPTP/L2TP/SSTP server. Once you have done that, let's dive right in. Step 1. To begin, find and access the settings on your Android mobile device. You can usually do this by clicking on the gear icon in your app drawer or by swiping down on the notification panel and tapping on the gear icon. Step 2. Once you are in the settings, look for the Network and Internet or Connections option and tap on it. This will take you to the network connection settings. Step 3. Within the network connection settings, locate and tap on the VPN option. This will open up the VPN settings on your Android device. Step 4. To add a custom VPN connection, you have two options. You can either tap on the plus icon to create a new connection, or tap on the three dots menu icon and select Add VPN from the options. Step 5. Give a name to your VPN connection to easily identify it. Then, enter the server details you created for the PPTP/L2TP/SSTP server. Make sure to select the correct protocol, which should be PPTP/L2TP/SSTP. Step 6. Now, tap on the name of the VPN connection you just created. In the settings for the connection, enter your username and password that you set up for the server. These credentials will be used to authenticate your connection. Step 7. Once you have entered your username and password, simply tap on the Connect button to establish the VPN connection. Your Android device will now connect to the PPTP/L2TP/SSTP server. Step 8. And there you have it. You are now connected to the PPTP/L2TP/SSTP server using your Android mobile device. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced online security and privacy.